Welcome to Day in the Life of a Special Needs Kid. This is William. Say hi. Hey, I said say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Hey. Say hi. Clearly you won't say hi. Say hi. I said say hi. No, don't bother. Don't fall out. Don't fall out. No. You fall out. Okay, clearly you fell off. I said say hi. What are you doing? Why are you repeating it? Well, that was Day in the Life of a Special Needs Kid.